My daughter decided to turn her dresser handle into a climbing adventure, and well, you can see the result. Well, I've never used this KwikWood, but I was like, why not? Let me just try it out. So it comes in this little paste form, and then you have to rub it in your fingers to make sure it warms up and softens it out. Then once it's done, apply it onto the hole that you want to patch up, just like that. I made sure I completely shoved it in the holes from the front and the back. And then you wait about an hour or two till it dries completely. Then I sanded it down so it looks completely smooth. Then I sprayed it, and I also drilled the holes before I sprayed it. Now time to put in the hardware, just like that. Now let's check if it's strong enough. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere. Just like new. What?